My name is Talal Murad. I'm Yazidi. Yazidis is a peaceful religious ethnic minority with a history of 6,000 years. I am 33 years old. I have lived through 2 genocides. The last one was on the hands of the ISIS. On the 3rd of August 2014, we heard that the ISIS attacking southern areas of Sinjar mountain. We heard the things, we saw the ISIS members on the way. I could remember the screaming of my mom, screaming of my sisters that they were saying they will come to kidnap us. In that day, the ISIS did many crimes against the Yazidi people. They killed around 1,290 persons. They kidnapped more than 6,400 people, most of them children and women. But thank God we could be able to flee out to Kurdistan in that day. And 7 years later, me and my family, we are living here. خلقك يقولنا نقبقريها
ودنا والله تقريبا خلقي ما قبا نقر جانا بس وقودو كرتي شيخ انجي
هي بياخذ البلقي وضع غيرها اجي قوايمه اجي الشنقال ما ممزن. There is no efforts from the government to find a safe ground or dignified ways for the people to return to their areas. As a Yazidi young, I found that it is my duty to stand with my community and advocate on their rights. I am a protection and education director at JRS Sharia here in Kurdistan, Iraq. The JRS mission is to accompany, serve and advocate for the people. We are going to the old village around Sharia. Each month we have 100 food basket and hygiene kits to provide to the 100 families here in Sharia Collective and 7 villages around. It's very important to be close to those families, to accompany them, to give them hope that there is some organization, some people are caring about them and trying to providing their needs. The people that the JR is currently servicing more than 20,000 people. The purpose of the project that we have here in Sharia to provide the education services, protection and mental health, psychosocial support for the people and also looking for the justice for their rights. We're providing cash assistance in terms of mental health. We are providing the medication. We providing them with the legal services. We are providing the transportation for the student in education. We have a kindergarten to receiving 220 children per year. We have a youth education program for the student of the grade 9 and grade 12. And also we have the adult education courses, which is English and literacy and computer. Beside that, we have skills training courses in terms of sewing, barbering, confectionery and hairdressing courses. Through the JRS advocacy work, we selected the issues of Yazidi missing persons to have interventions and raise this issue to the international community. Also bring attention to the situation of Christian Yazidis. And for the Yazidis, I hope that this year will be the last year of the displacement, and hopefully those people will return to their home in a safe and dignified way. They deserve peaceful, they deserve a good life, they deserve a life like others. I tried and I am still trying to be a voice of my community. I think it's very important missions that the JRS has here in Iraq and around the world to give the people hope, to make them stand for their own future.